Hello, everyone. Welcome to King English class.
Today we will explore and learn vocabulary, starting with the letter C in a very easy and interesting way. Let's get started. C. Cat. Cat. The cat is sleeping. C. Car. Car. This is my red car. C. Cow. Cow. The cow is in the field. C. Chair. Chair. The chair is brown. C. Chicken. Chicken. The chicken is running. C. Cloud. Cloud. The cloud is white. C. Clock. Clock. The clock is on the wall. C. Circle. Circle. This is a big circle. C. Cap. Cap. He is wearing a caps. C. Camera. Camera. She has a new camera. C. Computer. Computer. I use a computer every day. C. Cabbage. Cabbage. The cabbage is green. C. Carrot. Carrot. Rabbits like carrots. C. Crown. Crown. The king wears a crown. C. Corn. Corn. We eat corn for lunch. C. Candle. Candle. The candle is burning. C. City. City. I live in a big city. C. Coat. Coat. He wears a warm coat. C. Crab. crab. The crab is in the sea. C. Coconut. Coconut. A coconut has water inside. C. Candy. Candy. Children like candy. C. Cupcake. Cupcake. She eats a cupcake. C. Chef. Chef. The chef is cutting the round pizza. C. Chocolate. Chocolate. I love chocolate. C. Cake. Cake. I like eating chocolate cake. C. Cup. Cup. This is a blue cup.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.